Guys, what's going on? This is a moment I've been waiting for a very long time. I finally was able to get my hands on a 2009 Viper ACR. This thing right here is a whole nother ball game of a car. Very, very raw power. I mean, I can't stop thinking about this car every time I drive it. I don't want to put it away in the garage because I just want to continue to drive it. You know, I always get a lot of feedback about this thing that it's a little scary to drive, it doesn't want to stay on the road, and all these kinds of different things. I haven't seen that yet. I also haven't put it to its full potential, but I will get there. This orange, absolutely ridiculous. I mean, it just stands out so much coming down the road. It's definitely not a regular color. It's not an everyday color. This is actually a very rare spec, by the way. This car is very ahead of its time from the year that it was made. I mean, just everything that it comes with, the way that it feels, the way it drives.
Push to start.
Absolutely phenomenal. I mean, insane. Got it right in my, like a clear view.
Yeah,
nice
perfect.
Clear view.
Perfect.
Just sounds so aggressive. I mean, wow. It's insane. Oof. Oh, I gotta get back in the zone. Oh, yeah. Active rev match. Jesus.
Oh yeah.
Also have to be like the perfect size person to be in this car. Like if you're like a tad too big, it's not happening.
Really?
No. How was that boy Mateo?
Oh yeah.
I'll tell you what, this thing does not do that bad on gas. I mean, I drove it around for like 4 hours the day I picked it up. Had a half a tank, drove around for 4 hours till I got to E, and then it was only like $65 to fill it up.
Damn.
I was like, wow, I was pretty impressed.
That's lit.
Imagine what it's gonna be when the gas prices drop back down.
Yeah.
Not bad. That's half throttle right there, boy.
Damn.
There's no better way to spend your afternoon after work. I mean,
hell no. Oh yeah.
Guys, I have no words right now. I hope you enjoyed what you just seen just as much as I did, because I'm speechless. Subscribe, follow us, check us out, keep following us. This car is insane.